Okay, good evening all. Thank you for waiting me. Maaf ya, tadi ada masalah dengan laptopnya, jadi tadi laptopnya di restart dulu. Okay. Uh, Tonight we were. Oh, yeah, sorry. Okay. Okay. Tonight we are going to discuss these topics. First is expression of asking for, giving and revising for opinion. It's just a review, hanya untuk mengulang saja, because last meeting we have discussed about this. And then we are going to talk about conjunction. They are, therefore, nevertheless, and however. And the last is about preferences. Ini dari modulnya yang modul 4 ya. Modul 4 dari buku, dari modul kalian hard copy-nya itu. Okay, now we are going to discuss first. Okay, this is just a review. Okay, asking for opinion. So there are some expression that we are going to use when we are going to asking for someone's opinion. Okay, this is just a review. For examples, what do you think of? What are your views? Okay, what is your opinion? Is it right what I have done? Okay, and this is okay, these are the example asking for opinion. And then these expressions are giving opinion. I'm convinced that, I consider that. You can see your books, I think, because if you read your books, there are many expressions that you can find in your book. Okay, next, this is just review. Okay, so here the pattern for asking and giving opinion. First is, do you think? So here is helping verb or auxiliary verb, and then the subject and the verb, and the next is the complement. Okay, do you think blank blank blank, do you think that this cloth is very beautiful, for example. You can find in your books. Okay, this is just the pattern. Okay, and then okay, so here are responses. Okay, if you are accepting like opinion from your friends, you can say yes, I do. Yes, I think so. Of course, exactly, I think so. Okay, and then how if you want to reviews? Okay, it means that you disagree. You can say like negation expression, like no, I don't. No, I don't think so. No, exactly, I don't think so. So here are the responses. Okay, the responses that we are going to use when we are going to accept or reviews someone's opinion. And then I need to tell you again. And these are the expression that you are going to use if you are going to ask for someone's opinion or giving opinion to someone, something like that. So this is just a review because we have discussed this topic last meeting. Okay, now we are going to continue another topic. I think you can have, another topic is provided in your book. You can find this topic in your books, like using however, therefore, and nevertheless. Okay, so this is kind of conjunctive verb. Jadi ini adalah conjunctive verb. Okay, so you can see your books. I just I just add some information, and you can add based on information in your books. Okay, so there are 4 basic rules for using however, nevertheless, and therefore correctly. Okay, jadi ada 4 peraturan. There are 4 rules. Okay, the first is you can use these words to glue sentences together. Okay, di modul 4 mbak, modul 4. Okay, Coba lihat daftar isinya itu modul 4. Okay, you can use these words to glue sentences together. Okay, jadi kita tidak bisa menggabungkan beberapa kalimat secara bersama-sama. Okay, and here is the example. Okay, snow fell for several hours, therefore most driver proceeded slowly and carefully. Okay, so this is the incorrect example. Okay, so actually this is called comma splice, run-on, or review sentences errors. Jadi ini adalah error kalau kita menggunakan therefore. Okay, so this sentence is incorrect. Okay, jadi kalimat ini adalah salah. Okay, this is called, so how is the correct one? Okay, how is the correct one? Okay, you can see the snow fell for several hours, full stop. Therefore, most drivers proceeded slowly and carefully. So this is called sentence. Jadi ada rumusnya. Pertama, kalimat pertama, the first sentence, full stop. Remember, you have to put period here, or period or full stop, and then therefore. Okay, therefore must be written in capital letter T. Okay, and then comma, after therefore is comma. Okay, so therefore here is called conjunctive adverb. Okay, therefore, comma, and then the second sentence, most drivers proceeded slowly and carefully. Okay, so this is the first sentence, period, therefore, comma, and then the second sentence. So this is the correct one. Okay, now let's compare. Okay, let's compare to the previous sentence. The previous sentence is, okay, here we can see snow fell for several hours, comma, therefore, comma, most drivers proceeded slowly and carefully. So this is the incorrect. Okay, you have to remember. So the correct one is, we have to put full stop here, I mean period here. So snow fell for several hours, full stop, therefore, comma, most drivers proceeded slowly and carefully. So this is the correct one. So this is the way how we use therefore. Dalam bahasa Indonesia artinya oleh karena itu, to show the result. Jadi kalau therefore itu fungsinya untuk menunjukkan hasil atau to show the result. Sama artinya dengan show, jadi. Okay, oleh karena itu, seperti itu. Okay, so now it's correct. A period and capital letter save the day. Okay, so this is period, capital letter. Okay, so we have to put period here and then capital letter. Okay, and then let's see another example. Okay, here are the sentences again. The first one is wrong and the second one is correct. You can see, okay, here, okay, snow fell several hours, comma, you can see the difference here, right? Bisa dilihat perbedaannya. So the rules, jadi peraturan yang kita gunakan if we want to make a sentence using therefore. Kalau kita ingin membuat kalimat dengan menggunakan therefore, okay, this is the first rule. Okay, ini disebut dengan kalimat sentence, and then sentence. Ingat, sentence must be ended with period. Sentence itu harus diakhiri dengan titik. Okay, okay, and then therefore, comma, most driver proceeded slowly and carefully. So you can see the difference here. Okay, you can see anything at the whiteboard? How about the other? Okay, okay, so here can you, okay, Do you have any question from this? Okay, let's see another. So this is the same sentence. Okay. Okay, reminder that use a period. Okay, use a period, not a comma, and capital letter with however, never, thus, and therefore. Okay. So here is the examples. Okay. Can you see the difference here? So this is the examples. Jadi kalau kita membuat kalimat dengan menggunakan therefore, however, dengan never, thus, ada rumusnya sama. Ini semua sama. Okay. I want to see you another examples. Wait. Okay, dari sini coba, dari therefore. Ada yang ditanyakan? Do you have any questions? Okay. Okay, good. And another ways, contoh yang lain misalnya seperti ini. Okay. Contoh yang lain. Sinta didn't study well. Okay. Therefore, she failed the final exam. Okay. Sinta. Oke, coba diperhatikan sambil diperhatikannya, sambil dibuat catatannya di situ. Oke. Oke, Sinta didn't study well. She therefore failed the final exam. Okay. And another one, Sinta didn't study well. Okay. Therefore, she failed the final exam. Okay, please stop. Okay. Jadi ini adalah contoh kalimat yang menggunakan conjunctive verb therefore. Oleh karena itu. Okay, so this is the way how we use therefore. Ini adalah caranya dimana kita menggunakan therefore. Okay, coba perhatikan. Yang pertama tadi sudah kita discuss. The first we have discussed, and then the second. Okay, Sinta didn't well study. So this is the first sentence. Okay, she, comma, therefore, comma, failed the final exam. So we can put therefore in the mid. Okay, ini kita boleh meletakkan therefore di antara subject dan verb pada kalimat kedua, in the second sentence. Okay, and the third is Sinta didn't study well. This is semicolon. Ini semicolon ya, titik koma. Therefore, she failed the final exam. Okay, so this is the way how we use therefore. Jadi inilah caranya kita menggunakan therefore. Okay. And the last is yang terakhir, the penggunaan therefore. Okay. Sinta didn't study well. She therefore failed the final exam. Oke. Coba. Ini adalah cara yang keempat. Oke. The first, Sinta didn't study well, full stop. Oke, ini adalah kalimat pertama. Oke, therefore, she failed the final exam. Oke, the second way, Sinta didn't study well, full stop or period. Oke, she, therefore, failed the final exam. Okay. The third is Sinta didn't study well, semicolon, ingat titik koma, therefore, therefore. Jadi setelah semicolon, therefore-nya huruf T-nya adalah huruf kecil, lowercase, koma, she failed the final exam. The fourth is Sinta didn't study well, semicolon, she, therefore, failed the final exam. So there are 4 ways, ada 4 cara yang kita gunakan untuk membentuk kalimat to make a sentence using therefore. Therefore itu artinya oleh karena. Jadi kalau kita oleh karena itu, so it shows the result. Itu menunjukkan hasil. Contoh, Sinta didn't study well. Sinta tidak belajar dengan baik. Jadi, atau oleh karena itu, she failed the final exam. Dia gagal ujian akhir. So, let's see these sentences. Ada yang mau ditanyakan? Do you have any question? So kalau kita menggunakan however akan tetapi caranya sama seperti ini. Cuman however itu to show contrast, menunjukkan kontras. Nevertheless, jadi caranya adalah sama. Let's see. Jadi menggunakan however, coba dilihat bukunya. You can see your module. You can see many examples using therefore, however, and nevertheless. Ini adalah banyak nanti yang kamu lihat. Ini adalah salah satunya. So this is the ways. Jadi ada 4 kalimat yang bisa kita bentuk dengan menggunakan therefore. So there are 4 ways. What page? Itu buku modulnya halaman berapa? Miss nggak punya modulnya soalnya. I don't have the module, sorry. Halaman 41. You can read your books, and if you have any questions, you can ask me. Jadi ini adalah dengan menggunakan therefore. And let's see this one. Jadi ini menggunakan however. The traffic signals was working correctly, however, the driver didn't see the red light. Jadi ini adalah sama dengan bentuk yang pertama. So this is the same when we use therefore, but the function is different. Kalau therefore functionnya to show the result, however functionnya to show the contrast. Contrast. So always put a comma after however, nevertheless, and therefore. Jadi setelah however, nevertheless, dan therefore itu harus selalu kalian buat koma. Koma. And then let's see. Let's see. Mrs. Brown saw a broken window in her garage. Therefore, she called the police to report the break-in. Oke, jadi ini to solve the result. Oke, oleh karena itu dia memanggil polisi. Oke. And then how if we want to use however? As I said before, however is used to show the contrast. I have been taking college courses for 3 years. However, akan tetapi, okay, akan tetapi, I won't graduate until next fall. Saya tidak akan lulus. Jadi kontras. Katanya dia telah mengambil course itu, mata kuliah itu selama 3 tahun. Oke. Tetapi, akan tetapi, oke, saya tidak akan lulus sampai next fall, sampai semester fall depan. So this is contrast, right? Oke, jadi fungsinya harus kalian. Jadi di sini kalian tidak bisa menggunakan therefore. Oke. It doesn't make sense. Jadi di sini adalah however to show contrast. Contrast between the first sentence and the second sentence. Okay. Okay, then keeping my weight down is a challenge. Nevertheless, I've been successfully maintain a healthy weight. Jadi rule, okay, rule yang kita gunakan sama seperti ini. Bisa dilihatin, coba diperhatikan dulu. Okay. Nevertheless, namun demikian, okay. Namun demikian, jadi arti nevertheless ini artinya namun demikian atau meskipun, okay. Namun, meskipun. Kalau however akan tetapi, therefore jadi, oleh karena itu, okay. So you can see the difference among these 3 sentences. Okay. Coba diperhatikan penggunaannya. Jadi therefore to show the result. Okay. However, okay, ada kontrasnya. Nevertheless, kita gunakan to support to support the first sentence. Okay. Nevertheless artinya namun. Okay. Namun, meskipun demikian, seperti itu artinya. Namun, okay, meskipun demikian, okay, keeping my weight down is a challenge. Katanya keeping my weight ini maksudnya untuk mengurus atau mengatur berat badannya itu adalah sebuah tantangan. Namun demikian, I have been successfully maintained. Saya telah berhasil maintain a healthy weight. Jadi to support. Namun demikian, okay. Bisa ya, you can see the difference, right? Okay. Meskipun demikian, okay. Namun, that's the meaning in bahasa Indonesia. Okay. And then let's see how you use this one. Okay, the third rule, you can use a semicolon in lowercase. Lowercase letter itu maksudnya huruf kecil. Okay, instead of a period and a capital letter, sebagai pengganti titik dan huruf besar. Okay. However artinya akan tetapi. Okay. Mrs. Brown saw a broken window in her garage, therefore she called the police to report a break-in. Okay, ini menggunakan semicolon. Mrs. Brown saw a broken window in her garage. Okay, titik. Therefore she called the police to report a break-in. Okay, ini sama contohnya dengan yang tadi. Okay. So here, okay, but you don't have to use a semicolon if a period is always correct. Oke, jadi tanpa menggunakan semicolon pun kita bisa menggunakan period juga atau titik. Oke, lihat ini caranya. Mrs. Brown saw a broken window in her garage, therefore she called the police to report a break-in. Oke. Lihat ini caranya. Oke, do you have any question? Ada pertanyaan dari sini? Okay. Semicolon itu titik koma. The meaning of semicolon itu titik koma. Okay. And then, so this is semicolon, titik koma. Okay. Keeping my wage, okay. Keeping my wage down is a challenge, semicolon. Nevertheless, I have successfully maintained a healthy weight. Okay. Keeping my weight down is a challenge, period. Nevertheless, I have successfully maintained a healthy weight. Okay. Monitornya nggak bisa kelihatan di situ ya. Can you see the slide? Oh, I see. Nanti videonya aja dilihat ya, kalau ada waktunya. Okay. And then, okay, let's see this one. Okay, this is how we use however. I questioned Mrs. Smith. Okay, full stop. She insisted, however, that the dog wasn't hers. Sama seperti case-nya yang tadi. Okay. Jadi intinya the core is, the main point is you have to know how you use however, nevertheless, and therefore. You have to know di mana posisinya, di mana tempatnya in the sentence. Okay. Jadi kalian harus tahu di mana letaknya however, nevertheless, okay, and then therefore di dalam kalimat, and what is the function. The first is that never, like however, to show the contrast, and then if you know the function and the position, I believe that you will be able to make a sentence using these three conjunctive adverb. Okay. Okay, dari sini. Okay, do you have questions? Ini adalah keempatnya, coba ditengok. So, ini adalah contohnya how we use therefore. Jadi the positions, posisi however, nevertheless adalah sama seperti ini, tetapi fungsinya, the function is different. Okay, but the position is the same, tetapi posisinya sama. Okay. Do you have any questions? Okay, now I want to ask you this one. He had, okay, been ill for 6 months. Okay. Okay, coba let's see this sentence. Coba diperhatikan kalimat ini. Coba diperhatikan conjunctive adverb yang mana yang cocok kita gunakan to connect the two sentences. Ill artinya sakit. Ill artinya sakit, sama dengan sick. Okay. Okay, from these two sentences, okay, you have to use one conjunctive adverb to connect these two sentences. Okay, Who knows? Okay. Conjunctive adverb yang mana kita gunakan? However, therefore, atau nevertheless. Which conjunctive? Which adverb? Okay. Okay. Good. Therefore. Okay. So we can see that here this sentence, he had been ill for 6 months, full stop or period. Therefore, okay, using the first sentence, he had lost his job, sehingga atau oleh karena itu dia kehilangan pekerjaannya. Dia telah sakit selama 6 bulan. Okay. Sehingga oleh karena itu dia telah kehilangan pekerjaannya. Okay, so we use therefore here. Okay. So easy, right? Bisa ya? Okay. Now we continue to preference. If you don't have any questions, we can continue to preference. Preferences or preference. Okay. So preference dari kata prefer. Prefer itu artinya lebih suka. Okay. Jadi di sini we are going to discuss prefer, would rather, like, would prefer. Okay. Jadi kita akan belajar how to use these preferences. Okay. So here I show you. So do you prefer plastic or wood? Okay. So prefer. You can see the word prefer here. Okay. So preferences adalah ungkapan perasaan yang menyatakan lebih suka daripada yang lainnya. Okay. Preference adalah ungkapan perasaan yang menyatakan lebih suka daripada yang lainnya. Okay. Sometimes you need to state a preference when someone makes a suggestion over something or asks your opinion about what to do. Okay. Okay, ways of saying preferences. There are commonly 4 ways of expressing preference on English grammar, where people tend to pick their choices based on it. Ya, lebih suka, okay. Those are like, better than, okay. Jadi 4 ways to express preferences. Jadi ada suka, itu preference itu menyatakan kesukaan, okay. Like, better, okay. Yang kedua prefer to, perhatikan, okay. Kalau like, okay, harus ada better than, prefer to, okay. And the third would rather than. Jadi kalau ada would rather, okay, harus di dalam kalimat itu juga harus kata than. Okay, would prefer and rather than. Okay, so there are 4 ways. So these are the 4 ways. Okay. So here are the patterns. Okay, here are the patterns. Okay, you can see in your textbook. This is just addition. Okay. Subject, like, noun, better than, plus noun. Subject, like, jiran, better than, jiran. Jiran itu adalah kata kerja yang berbentuk ing yang berfungsi sebagai kata benda. Misalnya sing menjadi singing. Singing misalnya singing is my hobby. So the function like here. So jiran means, okay. So jiran like singing is my hobby. Okay. Coba diperhatikan, singing is my hobby. So singing here is a noun. Jadi singing di sini adalah jiran yang berfungsi sebagai noun. Jadi jiran itu kata kerja berbentuk ing yang berfungsi sebagai noun. Singing. Okay. Okay, so singing jiran. Okay, so ini jadi jiran itu kata kerja yang berbentuk ing yang berfungsi sebagai noun. Okay, ya bisa reading. Misalnya I like reading, saya suka membaca. Jadi membaca di situ bukan kata kerja, but reading there is a jiran, kata kerja yang berfungsi sebagai noun. Okay. Jadi dia berfungsi sebagai jiran kalau posisinya sebagai subjek dan sebagai objek atau pelengkap. And then prefer to subject cooking, ya bisa, it can be cooking. Subject prefer noun to plus noun. Okay. Subject prefer jiran to prefer. Jadi ingin perhatikan how we use like, prefer, okay, would rather, and then would prefer to. Ada keempat yaitu would prefer to. Okay. Maksudnya Mbak Rini apa maksudnya? Coba. Oke, bukan double tapi fungsinya di situ sebagai kata benda. Oke. Salah satunya bisa. Oke. Misalnya, the example she likes cooking. Okay, she likes cooking. She likes cooking. She subject, likes verb, cooking di sini adalah sebagai objek. Jadi cooking di sini bukan kata kerja tetapi kata benda. Okay. She likes cooking. Ini sebagai objek. And then sebagai subjek. Okay. Sebagai subjek. Reading is very difficult. Okay, reading is very important. It's very important. Okay. Ini jiran yang berfungsi sebagai subjek. Oke, ini jiran yang berfungsi sebagai important. Oke. Ini here is jiran function as an object. Here jiran function as a subject. Oke, bisa ya? Mbak Amini bisa ya? Do you have any questions so far about jiran? Okay. Okay. And then subject plus would rather. Ini would rather and then subject plus would rather plus infinitive plus then plus infinitive. Okay. Subject plus would rather prefer to infinitive plus rather than infinitive. Okay. Let's see the example. Oke, noun itu adalah kata benda, misalnya coffee, tea, comic, Spiderman, movie, etc. Oke, jiran kata kerja yang berbentuk ing. Oke, verb ing. Dia berfungsi sebagai noun. Playing, singing, dancing, listening to music, etc. Oke. Infinitive kata kerja dasar verb one. Misalnya play, sing, dance, listen to music, etc. Okay. Example like better than. Okay. Okay, coba. I like Lee Min Ho better than Choi Siyon. Jadi di sini like better than. Okay. Saya suka. Okay. Jadi kalau ada like in the sentence preferences we have like pasangannya better than. Okay. Like pasangannya better than. Okay. Like baru noun, perhatikan I like noun. Okay, better than noun. Bisa ya? You can see subject, verb, noun, better than noun. Okay. Okay, you can see here like. Okay, she likes listening to the music better than watching TV. Jadi dia harus setara. Jika di sini noun, di sini harus noun. Jika di sini gerund, okay, if here is gerund, so in the next phrase must be gerund here. Okay, jadi di sini harus setara. Di sini nggak, kalau di sini gerund, di sini juga harus gerund. Kalau di sini noun, di sini juga harus noun. So you can see the difference. Okay. Oke, kenapa like-nya berubah menjadi like? Karena subjeknya is the third singular. Subjeknya orang ketiga tunggal. Jadi orang ketiga tunggal, oke, example. Oke, ada 7 subjek kan? I, you, we, they, she, he, it. Oke. Jadi yang ketiga subjek ini, karena kalimatnya ini dalam bentuk present tense. Jadi kalau kalimatnya dalam bentuk present tense, she, he, it, kata kerjanya ditambah dengan s. Misalnya she likes or she cooks. Misalnya example. Okay. She cooks every day. Every day. Okay. She cooks every day. Okay. Ini adalah present tense. Jadi if the sentence is present tense, jika kalimatnya, jika tensesnya bentuk present tense, maka kata kerjanya harus ditambah s if the subject the third singular. Kalau subjeknya orang ketiga tunggal, she, he, it, atau nama orang misalnya Riri, Amini, seperti itu. Oke, ya. She drinks coffee every morning. That's correct. Oke. Bisa ya? Do you have any question about this? Okay. And next, example prefer to. Tadi kita udah membahas like, sekarang prefer to. Okay. Tadi like pasangannya better than. Kalau prefer pasangannya to. Okay. Miss Chaya prefers coffee to. Okay, to tea. Jadi prefer to. Oke, jika subjeknya orang ketiga tunggal, prefer ditambah s, prefers. Oke. Di sini ada yang tanyakan dari prefer dan to. Jadi prefer pasangannya to. Tadi kalau like pasangannya better than. Oke. Ini bisa ya? Oke, do you have any question about this? Oke. Oke, good. Okay, now prefer verb ing to verb ing. Okay, atau disebut dengan jiran. He prefers playing football to swimming. Okay, lihat playing, swimming. Jadi setara. Okay, ini ing, ini ing. Okay. So if we want to use prefer, the first prefer combined with to, and the second prefer both ing to both ing. Jadi ingat prefer to. Oke, ini adalah noun ini both ing atau jiran. Oke. Now we are going to see would rather than and would prefer rather than. Okay. Okay, let's see. Would rather, okay, verb 1, then verb 1. She would rather sing than dance. Okay. Jadi artinya would rather ini ada lebih suka. Sama artinya dengan prefer to, lebih suka. Okay. So if we want to use would rather, she would rather sing than dance. Okay. And here using would prefer to, both one rather than. She would prefer to watch the movie rather than go shopping. Okay. Verb one, ini verb one, ini verb one. Okay, to verb one, prefer to verb one, to verb one, and rather than, ini rather than verb two, verb one here. Kalau no, because karena they itu jamak mereka, jadi kita nggak menggunakan s. Okay, because they is plural, so that's why we don't use s. Okay, we know. Jadi yang menggunakan s adalah orang ketiga tunggal, she, he, it, atau juga nama orang yang satu, misalnya Riri, Rianti, mother, father. Okay, the girl, the boy, yang tunggal tapi sebut orang ketiga tunggal. I juga tunggal kan, tapi ini disebut dengan orang ketiga tunggal, the third singular. Okay. Okay, do you have any questions? Ya, kalau jamak nggak pakai s. Dan juga orang pertama tunggal, I dan you. I itu orang pertama tunggal, you orang kedua tunggal, itu nggak pakai s. Yang pakai s adalah orang ketiga tunggal. Ini disebut orang ketiga tunggal. Oke, yang pakai s. If ingat, jika tensesnya dalam bentuk present tense. Jika tensesnya dalam bentuk present tense, ingat ya, kalau tensesnya dalam bentuk present tense saja menggunakan s. Oke. Kalau dia dalam past tense, otomatis tidak menggunakan s. Orang ketiga tunggal contohnya, iya, ini orang ketiga tunggal, she, he, it, atau disebut dengan the third singular. Okay, the third singular, yaitu she, he, it, atau bisa dengan nama orang, misalnya the girl. Okay. Nadia. Oke, pokoknya yang tunggal. Oh, ini disebut orang ketiga tunggal. Oke, ini the third singular, orang ketiga tunggal. I itu disebut the first singular, orang pertama tunggal. Oke, you orang kedua tunggal. Oke. Kenapa dia dikatakan orang ketiga tunggal? Karena I, you, she, saya, kamu, dan dia. Dia itu orang ketiga kan. Oke, bisa ya. Ya, kalau the girl-nya pakai s berarti itu jamak. Itu jamak. Oke. And do you have any questions so far? Okay. Okay, now I want to say again how we use would rather than and would prefer rather than. Jadi kalau would rather pasangannya than, kalau would prefer pasangannya rather than. Okay, how we use this? Okay, you can see she would rather verb one, then di sini artinya daripada. Okay, jadi dia lebih suka bernyanyi daripada menari. Oke, lebih suka. Saya would rather itu lebih suka. Then dance. Oke, daripada menari. Oke. Kalau kepemilikan itu, let's see. Kalau kepemilikan misalnya ada menggunakan Okay, example. Example, whose book is this? Whose book is this? Okay. Is this yours? Yes. Yes, it is. It is mine. Okay. Whose book is this? Buku siapa ini? Jadi kalau kita mengatakan, if you want to say pulpen siapa ini? Whose pen is this? Kita menggunakan question word whose. Ini namanya question word yang menyatakan kepunyaan. Okay. Whose book is this? Buku siapa ini? Okay. Kalau who refers to subject. Kalau whose refers kepada kepunyaan, possessive. Okay. Whose book is this? Buku siapa ini? Jadi whose pen is this? Pulpen siapa ini? Okay. Whose bag is this? Tas siapa ini? Jadi kita menggunakan whose to say the possessive atau kepemilikan atau kepunyaan. Okay. Whose book is this? Is this yours? Apakah ini punyamu? Atau ini kita bisa ganti menjadi okay, or is this your book? Okay, is this your book? Jadi yours ini kita bisa ganti dengan your book. Oke, jadi ini namanya kepunyaan, yours. Oke. Yes, it is. It is mine. Ya, itu adalah punya saya. Yes, it is. It is mine. Ya, itu adalah punya saya. Oke, atau bisa yes, it is. It is my book. Oke. Oke, do you have any question? Kelasnya selesai, the time will end at 11, jam 11 ya. Okay, do you have any question about this? Ada yang mau tanyakan tentang kepunyaan? Tadi siapa yang tanya? Okay, no. Oke. Mbak Amini sudah ya? Ada lagi yang tanyakan? Oke, good. Oke. Oke, dari sini, do you have any questions? Okay, let's see. So that is it. Okay, if your God's gift to woman, I'd rather just have to the money. Jadi ini adalah contoh yang lain yang menggunakan would rather. Okay. Jadi ini dari contoh yang ini kalian harus bisa membentuk kalimat yang menyatakan preferences atau kepunyaan. Oke, kesukaan. Preferences, kesukaan. Okay. Do you have any question about this? Coba. Okay, I'll see you again. I'll review again. Okay. Okay, I'll review again about preferences or preference. Okay, the pattern. Okay, wait. Okay, so ways of saying preference. Jadi ini adalah ungkapan yang kita gunakan menyatakan kepunyaan. Ada 4. Like, pasangannya better than, prefer to, okay, would rather than, would prefer rather than. Okay. Jadi you have to remember if in a sentence there is a sentence using like, berarti harus ada juga better than. Okay. prefer to, would rather than, would prefer rather than. We want to review. Okay. Jadi ini yang menggunakan like, better than. Oke, ini rumusnya. So this is okay. Okay, now I want to ask you. Okay, I want to ask you, please coba dicek dulu kalimat ini. Okay. I prefer, okay. He prefer to swimming than, okay. Let's see the example first. Okay. To sleep. Okay. Coba, okay. Coba dikoreksi kalimat ini. Okay, let's see the sentences. Is this correct? Okay, is this correct? How is the correct one? Okay, gimana yang benarnya yang ini? He prefer to singing to sleep. Gimana yang benarnya? Okay. Who knows? And the second, I want to show you again. Okay. Okay, this is, let's see the sentences, the two sentences. Okay, please correct the sentence. Coba diperhatikan, dikoreksi kedua kalimat ini. Okay, he prefer. Okay, yang mana yang benar? Ini, coba gimana yang benarnya? Ini dianalisis sudah benar nggak? Ini gimana? Yang dua ini, the two sentences. Okay. Let's see. They like. Okay. Okay, so the first, okay, let's correct. He prefer to sing or to sleep. Is it correct or wrong? Okay, is it correct or incorrect? Okay, is it correct or incorrect? Okay, is it correct? No, this is not correct. This is no. How we use prefer to? Let's see. Prefer to, okay. Jadi kalau menggunakan prefer, subject prefer, okay. Subject prefer, gerund to, okay. Gerund, okay. Jadi, okay, coba diperhatikan yang benarnya adalah the rule is subject prefer gerund to gerund. Okay, so he prefer, the correct is, okay, he prefer, okay. He harus pakai s atau tidak pakai s? He prefers, okay, pakai s, prefers singing. He prefers singing to sleeping. Okay. Dia lebih suka bernyanyi daripada tidur. Okay, you can see to sleeping. Okay. And then they, okay, how about the second sentence? They, iya, they-nya tidak pakai s. And then mana lagi yang perlu dikoreksi? Coba diperhatikan dulu, like. Okay. Yeah, they like singing better than dancing. Yeah, that's good, correct. Okay. They like singing better than dancing. Okay. Bisa ya? They like singing better than dancing. Okay. Jadi ini adalah contoh kalimat yang benar. So this is the correct one. This is the correct one. Okay. So you have to remember that like, better than. So like itu pasang okay, again, okay, good. Okay, I'll show you another example. Okay. I want to erase this. Okay. Oke, coba dikoreksi ya. Prefers to singing better than dancing. Oke, coba diperhatikan yang ini. She prefers to singing better than dancing. Better than dancing. Ini benar atau salah? Okay, so how is the correct sentence? prefers. Okay. Mbak Riri bilang she prefers to singing to dancing. Okay, is it correct? Okay. She prefer. Okay. She prefer to singing better than dancing. Is it correct? Oke. Jadi gimana kalimat yang benarnya? Kalimat yang benarnya adalah kita bisa menggunakan misalnya she likes singing better than dancing, or she prefers singing to dancing, right? So ada dua kalimat yang bisa kita bentuk dari sini. Okay, there are two sentences that we can make from this. The first is, okay, she likes. Okay, she likes, sama seperti ini. Okay, wait. Jadi ini bisa kita ubah she prefers singing to dancing, or she likes, bisa kita ganti likes singing better than dancing. Oke, bisa ya? Oke, good. Mbak Lala benar, she likes singing better than dancing. Yang kedua, she prefers singing to dancing. Okay, so this is the example. Okay, so you have to remember that. Okay, so here are examples of like and better. Once again, I like Lee Min Ho better than Choi Siwon. Okay, like pasangannya better than. Okay, we have to remember another example. I like shopping, misalnya I like shopping better than staying at home, bisa. Okay, staying at home. Okay, and then okay, like verb ing better than verb ing. Okay, jadi ini noun, ini verb ing. Misalnya I like coffee better than tea. Okay, menggunakan noun. I like coffee better than tea. Okay, I like cake better than cookies. Okay, I like cake better than cookies. Okay, so we can make many examples using like noun better than noun. Okay, how about using like verb ing better than verb ing? Okay, you can see she likes listening with. Okay, she likes listening to the music better than watching TV. So she likes listening to the music better than watching TV. Okay, so prefer. Miss Cahya di sini kita bisa gantikan menjadi she. She prefers coffee to tea. Okay, atau kalau menggunakan likes tadi, Miss Cahya likes coffee better than tea. Okay, bisa ya? He prefers playing football to swimming. Okay, he prefers playing football to swimming. He likes playing football better than swimming. Okay, he likes Kalau kita menggunakan likes better than, he likes playing football better than swimming. She likes coffee better than tea. Okay, better than tea. Jadi ingat, likes pasangannya better than, prefer pasangannya to. Okay. Okay, next we are going to see would rather again. Okay, would rather verb 1 then verb 1. She would rather sing than dance. Okay, she would rather sing than dance. Okay, then di sini daripada. Okay, she would prefer to watch the movie rather than go shopping. Okay, jadi di sini artinya sama, cuman penggunaannya berbeda. Di sini menggunakan would rather. Okay, sing. Di sini menggunakan would prefer to watch the movie rather than verb 1. Ingat, would prefer to verb 1 rather than verb 1. Would prefer to verb 1. Okay. Okay, after that this is noun. Okay, rather than go shopping. Okay. Okay, so do you have any questions so far about this? Ada yang bisa ditanyakan tentang preferences dan adverb, conjunctive adverb? Okay. Next meeting we are going to discuss descriptive text. Jadi please read your module about descriptive text. Okay. Ada yang tanyakan dari sini? No? Okay. Okay, now I want to ask you once again. Okay. 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 Coba diubah. Please change the sentence using like better than. My mother, okay, prefers cooking to washing. Okay. Coba ini diubah. Please change the sentence using like. Okay, using like. Kalau menggunakan like gimana? How if we want to change the sentence using like and better than? My mother likes cooking better than washing. That's good. How about menggunakan would prefer, would rather menggunakan would rather. Gimana menggunakan would rather? Oke, coba diperhatikan menggunakan would rather. Oke. Jadi would rather okay, would rather. How if we want to use would rather? Okay, would rather. Would rather. Okay. Cooking verb 1-nya cook. Okay. wasing verb one-nya was. Jadi verb one itu artinya verb yang tidak ditambahi apa-apapun. Oke. Menggunakan would rather gimana would rather? Oke. Coba diperhatikan rumus would rather. Would rather sing than dance. Oke. Jadi ada would rather, ada dance-nya, ada then-nya. Oke. Ya, that's correct Mbak Riri. My mother would rather cook than wash. Jadi di situ cooknya kita nggak perlu pakai s karena sudah ada would di sini, would rather. My mother would rather cook than wash. Jadi cooknya tidak menggunakan s karena verb one. Verb one itu verb yang tidak ditambahi s atau ing atau pokoknya verb yang asli atau bare infinitive. Yang verb yang aslinya. Ya. Jadi verb one itu verb yang tidak ada s-nya, verb yang tidak ada ing-nya, verb yang tidak ada to-nya. Itu verb one. So, do you have any questions? Do you get it right? Bisa dimengerti ya? Bisa ya? So, bisa kita akhiri pelajaran hari ini ya, meeting hari ini ya. I think that's all for tonight. Thank you for your attention, your cooperation. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Kalau ada pertanyaan, ditanya Miss ya. Coba dibaca-baca modulnya. If you have any questions, please ask me. Modul 4, modul 4. I will share the PPT.